You know, one of the most frustrating things in the world is being skinny fat, because if you try and learn how to fix your physique, people are going to tell you to do loads of cardio, cutting out the carbs, dropping down the calories, just training loads, eat less and move more is what people say. And you think, well, okay, well, if I'm skinny fat, won't I just lose body fat and muscle? So I'm going to just end up a smaller version of skinny fat and not like the way I look and look flat and stringy. So then you probably think, well, okay, how do I build muscle then? And everyone's going to tell you to eat big, to get big, right, babe, lift big weights, take creatine, drink this supplement, have this meal plan, chicken, broccoli, and rice. And even if that does go well, you're still going to gain body fat. So any area that you dislike, like the love handles, the side boob, for me, it's the double chins, then it's going to get worse. So then you're like, well, do I do a cut and then a bulk, or a cut and then a bulk and then a cut? And ultimately, if you're just jumping between the two and you're not really doing the best job of them, or you're starting with excessive body fat at the beginning, you're just going to end up in that bro cycle of jumping from cuts and bulks, or maybe you end up just being a smaller version or a slightly bigger version of skinny fat. How do you actually fix it? This is the biggest frustration that I've faced. Every single video I watched, every person I took advice from said something different. And it was quite often coming from a place from their starting point. Like, they've always been skinny, so they say eat big to get big, and they just got big and it was no problem. Some of these guys have great genetics. Some of them take performance enhancing drugs, so their routine is not going to work for someone that's not taking performance enhancing drugs. Or they've always been a big guy with loads of muscle, but they had a belly and they lost the belly, lost a bit of muscle, but they still ended up being quite big and jacked. So their plan didn't work for me, and it might not work for you. So fixing skinny fat is frustrating. And there's just not going to be much help on the internet. So I wanted to make a really quick video just to answer some of these really common questions that skinny fat guys have that I had as well. So let's start off first things first. Should you bulk? Should you cut? Neither. I would suggest starting with a body recomposition. And people love to argue and say, that's a cut, bro. That's a cut, bro. A cut is to lose weight. Simple as that, right? Low calorie, low carb, cardio, all that jazz. If you go low calorie, low carb, high cardio, you're going to lose muscle as well, right? Especially if you're already skinny for most people, and if you're not taking drugs. So a recomposition, you either eat at maintenance, which again I would not suggest because it kind of could waste a lot of time. You eat at a small deficit, so you're going to lose some weight. So yeah, it's a little bit like a cut, but we eat high protein and we focus on strength training predominantly. And what happens is, because you're eating high protein and performing hard in the gym with strength, but there's still a small deficit, you'll use the excessive body fat on your body currently, and you will make some muscle from your training and high protein, right? If I just dumb it down and just explain literally what's going to happen. And just for proof, here's people that have done that. It does work. People, it's weird. YouTube, you can say, here's what happened, here's how it works, here's the science. I'm like, no, I'm 14 and someone on TikTok said something else, so you're wrong. I don't care. It works. Done it 242 times. So a recomposition is the best way. Small deficit, get stronger in the gym, don't do too much cardio, eat enough protein, and just adjust as you go along. If you need to know how to get your deficit set up, there's a free nutritional blueprint that will tell you how to work out your calories, set up your calories, do your proteins, all that jazz. That's number one. Training wise, like I said, strength over cardio. People are like, should I do cardio to lose weight? Should I do weights to lose weight? What should I do? You can still do cardio, but see, it's like an 80-20. Do 80% strength training, lifting weights, body weight movements, whatever you're comfortable with, whatever your experience level dictates, and track what you're lifting. Aim to get stronger. Add reps, add weight. Then use cardio for, after the workout, once you've already spent all your calories on the focus on strength. Or if you go over your calories a little bit, or it's been a high calorie weekend, or you've missed a workout, that's when cardio can be absolutely fantastic. Yes, it's good for you. Yes, it's good for fitness, but we're talking strictly for fixing skinny fat. If you do too much cardio, you might lose strength and muscle, which I have personally done and had clients do the same. Hopefully, that kind of answers the majority of your questions. Yes, food quality matters. Yes, you could be really picky about the optimization of nutrition and training, but the bottom line is, instead of cutting and bulking, small calorie deficit, high protein, and get stronger. If you do that and you track everything and you're on track and you adjust over time, you will get so far into your transformation journey without having to overcomplicate things. You will absolutely won't even recognize who you are in the mirror. Okay, follow that. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't fall for the shiny object syndrome. Just stick to the basics, because I'm so sick of people on YouTube just making things up. And look, I'm in a group with some of these guys, and they literally say like, yeah, you just got to make things up so it sounds new. So a lot of these video titles and all these guys telling you about getting in shape, they are deliberately making things up because it gets views. If I made up a video saying don't eat apples, they're killing your gains, I'll get views because people are like, well, I eat apples. Don't do bench press, it's killing your gains. Well, I do bench press. If I say, guys, you got to eat right and train hard. Well, I know that. I'm not clicking that video. That's why it's confusing. Everyone's talking shit. Anyway, like and subscribe. And if you want help with anything I've mentioned before, there's probably some links below that can direct you to somewhere where I can help you. Good luck.